Hi everyone, welcome to Blackpool Automart, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 BMW X1. Now of course this is the 18i and you do get the LED angel eyes, LED headlights, LED main beams. You also get your front parking sensors as well, and then you also get these brilliant 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. But coming around to the rear now, as you can see, it is on a 68 plate. As you can see, you've also got your rear parking sensors as well. Then we've got your electric tailgate as well, which when you pull, the little button will pop straight up like so. You've then got plenty of room inside of the tailgate. You've also got these nice little buttons here, which when you pull, will release the seat down and drop it down, just to avoid yourself from walking to and from around the car. To lower the tailgate, simply press the button up top and it will drop down like so. Then just showing you the rear alloy just here. As you can see, we've got the seat folded down now. It does nearly fold flat with the boot floor. Then you've got the multi-position rear seats as well, which when you pull this little toggle here, push back, will go straight back into place like so. And we have got this cream leather interior with isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round. Then coming in the front of the car, as normal in a BMW, we've got your iDrive controls just here in the middle with your electric handbrake. We've then got your drive select, so you can choose between Eco, Pro, Comfort and Sport. We've got your 8-speed ZF gearbox as well. Got a nice little bit of a bit of storage in the middle where you have a electric cigarette charger. We've then got your climate control, which is dual climate control with your 2 front heated seats, which you can see just there. Then we've got your media controls as well, like so. We've got the small screen in this car, but as you can see, it does come with your various audio sources just there, and various radio as well. So moving back out to the left, we have got all your various sources just here. We've got your communication, satellite navigation, all built within this display. Then to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control and speed limiter on the left. We've then got your audio controls, including your Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant on the right. With your onboard computer controls are on the indicator stalk, and you do also have automatic windscreen wipers. As you can see in the middle, this car has done 26,225 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this X1, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.